Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can install mod menu in Minecraft. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open a browser and then you need to go to fabricmc.net. Press on download, download for Windows, save it to your desktop. Then go to a Fabric API, then press download, download file, wait for a couple of seconds here, save it to desktop as well. Then what you need to do here is to go to modrin.com and then press discover content mods. Here you need to look for mod menu, and then you just need to go to versions, game versions, select latest one, and then download it as well to your computer. Next thing what you need to do here is to go to text placeholder API, and then you need to also go to versions, go to game versions, and then select this and download it as well. And also, if you do not have mods on your game, just download some sort of mods to look if it's working or not. Then what you need to do here is to grab Fabric installer here and then install it. Just completely close Minecraft before you do this and you'll be fine. If you're getting error, then download Java 21 or 24. Then go to game, go to Minecraft Java installations here, and you should see Fabric Loader 1.21.8 in my case, but for you it may be different here. Then open installation folder, then you need to go to mods. If you don't have mods folder, just create one. And then you just need to drag and drop Fabric API, mod menu, and placeholder here. If you have the duplicate files, just replace it here. And after that, you just need to go to Minecraft, make sure to select Fabric Loader, and then hit play here. And then in game, as you can see, you should have new mods bar, and then you should see what mods is installed to your game. And that's pretty much it. So if I help you out, please press like.